Hello, friends. Welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's shake the pulse of the stock market. I'm here with the index weekly review. I will discuss the Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank level for coming week, and I keep discussing the stock also, which are posting good Q4 results and are on their buying level for the long term. So to know the Nifty and index levels, stay connected till the end and smash the like button and yes, subscribe the channel also for the regular update of Nifty and index levels and the stocks buying level for the long term. So let's start the video with Nifty 50 chart. So I'm showing the Nifty 50 chart. Along with that, I want to discuss what happened in last week. It was sharp fall. See, it has touched the high of the 22,800, and from there you can see straight cut of fall till here. And I always keep ड्राइंग दिस ट्रेंड लाइन इवन दिस ऊपर भी मैं बनाती हूँ, आज नहीं बनाया बट यस आई कीप drawing this trend line which is very important, and I always discussed that Nifty 50 should break this channel either up above side or downside. So Nifty 50 has broken this channel downside. Yes, you can see this trend line. Let me first discuss some reason and then I will go to the chart key, what is happening in the chart, and I will predict the chart. But before that, let me discuss some important reason kya hua, why market is falling since last week. I can say yes, even more than last week. तो यहाँ से लेके why market is falling, तो you might be knowing you that election season are going on. Her whole country is having election time, and there is some uncertainty in political scenario. तो some political uncertainty के वजह से there is stock market is also concerned about the result, because stock market always wants a majority government. So, and there was some news also that low voting is going on and all. So this was some reason कि stock means एक majority की government should always come in power. So इस वजह से थोड़ा सा ये एक चल रहा था. One reason this was this, and the second reason was rising US bond yield. US bond yield में भी जो है rise हो रहा है. So what the FIIs are doing, they are selling here and selling in the stock market and putting in the bond yield. This is one more reason also. And the third reason, as I said, FIIs are selling, means FIIs ka heavy selling off is going on. If you go to the FIIs data and DIS data, so you will come to know ki how heavy selling off happened in even last Friday and Thursday also. So that because of that is this see, you can see the sharp fall. So FIIs are also selling off. One reason is this also. So these 3-4 important reason, and one more important reason, that the heavy weight stocks हैं, the heavy weight stock like HDFC Bank, ICICI, TCS and Reliance, all that are not performing good. I will say they are not performing at all. So इस वजह से भी मार्केट में निफ्टी 50 ने काफ़ी फॉल शो किया है इन लास्ट वीक. So all these was some reason I can find out because of for these fallings. So now we'll see. So चार्ट पे क्या हो रहा है, चार्ट पे क्या चल रहा है. तो market has touched this high level again. This is the high level. You can see this is 22,800, exactly touching the 22,800, even around this 775 का कि यहाँ पे भी high था. So the exactly the same ATH it has touched and from there the sharp falling started to happen, and it is falling and came to this trend line, did not take support and broken this trend line on Thursday. इवन थर्सडे वॉज ऑल्सो एक्सपायरी भी था, तो एक एक्सपायरी की वजह से भी बहुत ज़्यादा फॉल था, तो ये ट्रेंड लाइन हैज़ बीन ब्रोकन बाय निफ्टी 50 डाउन साइड। ओके, तो फिर अब क्या हो सकता है? नाउ थर्सडे, आफ्टर थर्सडे फ्राइडे it was showing little bit positive but did not break this now it has become the resistance. This trend line now has become the resistance, so it has not broken this trend line and again taken the resistance, and it was trading here around I guess 22,000 अराउंड उसने क्लोज भी दिया, 22,000 के आसपास क्लोज भी दिया, विच वॉज अर्लियर वॉज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सपोर्ट, बट अब ये सपोर्ट वीक हो चुका है। नाउ इट हैज बिकम वीक सपोर्ट, और now I can see the another support can be this 21,800 around 21,800 750 के आसपास अब बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट है, जो कि पहले का भी एक सपोर्ट है। यू कैन सी हियर, यहाँ पे भी सपोर्ट इसने कई बार लिया है 23 में, और आफ्टर दैट here you can see again it has taken support. This was resistance earlier, so again it is taking here it has taken support, here it has taken support. Now I can see if it's falling again, hardly it can take support here and show the reversal from here. Otherwise next week we'll see again, we'll update it, but next week for this short period I can see this support is very important. It should not actually it should not nifty 50 should not break it. Resistance, as it is very important resistance 22,100 around, जो कि earlier it was also the same resistance. Here it has taken resistance at 22,100 के आसपास, और फिर ये काफ़ी समय तक यहाँ पे भी लिया है। सो ये एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट, और जो कि ट्रेंड लाइन भी है, तो ये एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस हो जाता है। बट यस, निफ्टी 50 मे ब्रेक दिस रेजिस्टेंस वेरी सून, एंड इट मे गो अबव देन दैट। तो यहाँ पे भी एक 22,500 के अराउंड एक रेजिस्टेंस आएगा, बट दैट विल कम ओनली आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग दिस 22,100। तो 22,100 इज अ इम्पॉर्टेंट रेजिस्टेंस, बट ब्रेकिंग दिस विल टेक इट टू 22,500 अराउंड। So overall, if we wrap up it, so we can go to the conclusion of the Nifty 50 uh, coming week. Support can be the 21,700 800. So Nifty 50 trading area can be support 21,800, resistance 22,100, and after breaking 22,100, of course 22,500 can be the next resistance for the coming week. So this was the Nifty 50 analysis. Let's quickly come to the Nifty Bank chart, and Nifty Bank में what is happening? Again I am making the same trend line, which is actually very important support trend line, and you will see in Nifty Bank में निफ्टी 50 से भी ज़्यादा बुरी हालत है। मीन्स इसमें भी लास्ट 2 वीक से यही सिनेरियो चल रहा है। एक continuously it is falling, और बुरी तरह से गिरने के बाद भी इसने एटलीस्ट इस ट्रेंड लाइन पे एक सपोर्ट लिया है। यस, ये ट्रेंड लाइन बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट सपोर्ट है, बट आई डोंट थिंक निफ्टी 50 बैंक will take this support. It may take for 1 or 2 days, but after that it may break this support also and can reach to this level. But yes, if it's not breaking, it is showing the strength, तो यहाँ से रिवर्सल लेके इस रेजिस्टेंस पे आ सकता है, may come to this resistance here which was earlier also a important resistance level here. You can see here, यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 many time 5 यहाँ पे breakout दिया. So this resistance is very important, which I can see the 48,350 around. Yes, 48,350 के आसपास ये resistance है. After taking reversal from here, it will reach here. But downside, down level, after breaking this important trend line, the support will be 46,000 uh, 600, 46,600, but important support 47,300 जो कि अभी निफ्टी बैंक ने लिया है. तो मीन्स ओवरऑल सिनेरियो, ये ट्रेंड लाइन इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दिस ट्रेंड लाइन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और इसका जो सपोर्ट है विच इज़ 47,300, जो कि मुझे लगता है कि या तो अगले हफ्ते ब्रेक होगा या तो ये सपोर्ट लेके निफ्टी बैंक रिवर्सल दे देगा. So let's see. We'll update you in next to next week, but let's see what happening in next week. This 47,300 you keep in your mind. 47,300 is a very very important support. You have to keep in mind. You have to check this level 47,300. After breaking it, the next level is 46,600. So overall, if I go to conclusion, the Nifty Bank level for coming week can be support 46,600 only after breaking support of 47,300, and the resistance is 48,350. So this was overall short picture of index levels, which is actually Nifty 50 support 21,800, resistance 22,100, and then 22,300. Nifty bank level support 47,300, after breaking it 46,600, and resistance 48,350 for coming week. If you have any question regarding any stock, comment me in a comment box or PM me in Instagram, and Twitter ID is on your screen, of course. And I have made some stocks video which has posted good Q4 results. You can go through the stocks analysis and take your decision. I will give the stocks videos on the I button, and even given the end screen in description box also. You should definitely go through the stocks analysis and study those stocks which are at good buying level for the investment. So like and share this video for more reach, and subscribe the channel for regular update of index levels and stocks buying level for investment. Signing off.